If you've lost access to your YouTube account due to suspicious activity, follow these steps to regain control. This guide will help you navigate the recovery process effectively. Step 1. Visit the YouTube sign-in page. Go to the YouTube website and click on the sign-in button. Enter your email address associated with your account to begin the recovery process. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. If you cannot access your account, click on the Forgot Password link. This will direct you to the account recovery options provided by Google. Step 3. Verify your identity. Follow the prompts to verify your identity. You may need to answer security questions, enter a verification code sent to your recovery email or phone number, or provide other identifying information. Step 4. Review account activity. Once you regain access, check your account activity for any unauthorized changes. Look for unfamiliar videos, comments, or changes to your profile settings and report any suspicious activity to YouTube. Step 5. Update security settings. To prevent future issues, update your account security settings. Enable two-factor authentication, change your password to a strong and unique one, and review your recovery options to ensure they are up to date. By following these steps, you should be able to regain access to your YouTube account and enhance its security for the future.